name is Ashley, aka atyoyo Superstar. Today we're going to learn more about the basics of yo-yos. So we're going to start with two tricks. First, we're going to learn the forward pass, which is fundamental if you want to learn two-way tricks. And then we're going to learn the trapeze, which is fundamental if you want to learn one-way tricks. So let's waste no time. Let's go! Just like I've been using in the rest of this series, I'm going to use the Rebrand Yo-Yo by Rain City Skills. It's a nice plastic beginner yo-yo, and you can find it on our website. Okay, at this point, you're probably used to throwing the yo-yo down, making a muscle, and going like this. Today, we're going to flip that over to learn the forward pass. So when you do the forward pass, you're actually going to hold the yo-yo like usual, except your hand is going to be facing with your palm down and gripping the yo-yo like this. So it's going to be a different motion, but you're still going to throw it nice and strong, and you're going to throw it in front of you. Now when you throw it in front of you, you're going to wind your arm back, and you're just going to propel it forward, again, nice and hard, and at, kind of a parallel to the floor level. It's going to be a little bit in between, but you're just going to toss it out like this. So to demonstrate this release, make sure you have a nice distance from you and the wall. I always hit the wall when I'm doing these videos. Make sure you wind up nice and hard, throw it out like that. Now when you throw it, again, your hand is going to be going like this, but when you return the yo-yo, as it reaches the end of the string and you tug it back just like any other responsive play throw, you're actually going to flip your hand over and catch it like this. The reason being is then you can go back into your standard throw or into another forward pass or looping trick. One more time, wind your hand up, throw it out, and catch it like this. And you can go into any other trick you want. Okay, next we're gonna learn trapeze. Trapeze looks like this. It's a very classic trick. It's one of my favorites. It is a mount, but when I was a kid, when I was first learning the trick, I would also make it kind of swing around and do some stuff with it. And you'll actually see that stuff as you're getting into 1A play. So there's actually an added trick in here called the breakaway throw. So to perform the trapeze, you're going to need to practice your breakaway throw as well. So what you're going to do is make a muscle just like you would in your regular throw, nice powerful throw, but you're going to turn it out to the side like you're flexing and making a muscle to show off, like, oh, I'm so strong. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to throw the yo-yo and let it kind of carry down. Again, my hand this time, the palm's going to be up, so letting it arc around, and then you can return it to your hand. You can let it swing back and forth, whatever you'd like. So to show you the breakaway, it looks like this. Okay, you can also do it nice and high, if you're learning around the world, which we'll go into in another video. So make sure you throw it nice and strong to the side, let it carry out to the side. You can even let it kind of drift back and forth and return it to your hand, but that's the breakaway throw. So now, in order to throw the trapeze, we're going to need to mount the yo-yo on the string like this. In order to do that, you're going to throw your breakaway throw and stick your pointer finger out on your non-throw hand and let the string wrap around your finger at its highest point, right where you would return the yo-yo in a breakaway throw. So it looks like, boom, see how it's wrapping around and landing on the string pretty naturally. But a lot of times when you're starting out, you're going to miss it either to the front, okay, or to the back towards your belly. Oops, sorry, towards your belly, being a show-off. So what you're gonna want to do is pay attention to what your throw hand is doing. So practice getting it on the string, of course, but if you're missing consistently towards the front, okay, look here, I'm making it a little bit more dramatic, but my throw hand is really close to my body, and my non-throw hand is further away from me. That means we're gonna be missing towards the front, okay? So if that's happening, make sure you slide your throw hand forward. Likewise, if you are missing towards the back, it means your throw hand is too far forward. Again, I'm being really dramatic with this, so make sure you watch your throw and look at those tiny nuances, and this will become easier and easier over time. But if you're missing towards the back, it's because this hand, your throw hand, is too far forward. So make sure you're lining up those hands. So after you learn these tricks, it's going to open you up into a world of tricks. So the forward pass, you can just do regular, or you can do something like around the world, which is a really common trick. Or you can learn with a looping yo-yo your looping tricks, inward and outward loops. When you learn the breakaway, you can do tricks like that sideways around the world. You can also work on your trapeze and do a ton of different tricks, but if you're a beginner, you can learn Eli hops. You can even upgrade into the double or nothing, which we'll go into in another video. So there's a lot of different options of what you can do with these tricks, so make sure you nail them down. These are absolute fundamentals that you gotta know. So once again, we have our forward pass, we have our breakaway throw, and we have our trapeze. And the trapeze is also considered a mount. If you have comments or questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and always be respectful. And my name is Ashley, aka Atyoyo Superstar. We'll see you next time.